Have you ever woke up in the morning and decided today you're going to clone your voice using artificial intelligence? If so, this video is for you. So there's actually a website that can do this for you for free. We're going to take a look at it today. I already cloned my own voice, so I'm going to show you guys what my voice sounds like as a robot. Even though I've been told my voice already sounds like a robot. It's just crazy how technology is going. So we're just going to start the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so this is the website that we're using today. It's called Lyrebird, Lyrebird.ai. That's the website name. It's not .com, it's actually .ai, which is pretty new. I've never seen that before. So this is their homepage. It says, we create the most realistic artificial voices in the world. So this is a few use cases for this technology. They're saying you could have chatbots and assistants. So things like your Amazon Echo and Google Home can have your own unique voice in the future. So that's pretty interesting. You can also use this technology for audiobooks to have books read to you in a voice of your liking. They're saying here for companies, they can replace their robotic hotline operators and create a more realistic voice, which to me, I don't like that they're going to be doing that, because that means you're going to get a spam phone call, you're going to pick it up, and it's going to sound like a real person that you're talking to, but it's just going to be a freaking robot, and you're going to feel so tricked. Another use case here is video games, which I think is pretty cool because right now to make a video game, you have to have voice actors and things like that. But using this, you can actually just create your own artificial voices to voice the NPC characters of your game. But of course, there's a negative to that, which means people who are in that industry might lose their job depending on how good these artificial intelligent voices sound and how accessible they are to these developers. So one last thing is a text reader. This technology already exists today where you can kind of highlight a whole website or an article that you don't feel like reading through. And I think on the iPhone, there's a button for it that says like speak or read it, and it'll actually just read it out in a robot voice for you, so you can kind of listen to an article like an audiobook. With this technology, you can have a much better, more human voice reading it to you. If you wanted to make your own, there's a button here called Create My Voice. You click on that, and basically you're going to have to make an account. And I've already made an account, and I've already done a lot of recordings. Pretty much what you do is you get this sentence here that's randomly generated for you, and you have to have a microphone, and you click this button. It'll probably ask you for microphone permissions, which you can click allow, and then you have to read it precisely, and then when you're done reading that sentence, it'll upload it to the cloud. The more of these recordings that the AI can get, the better your voice is going to sound that it creates. So I did 150, but the more that you do and the more you record, you'll see that your AI voice starts to progress and sound a lot more like you. So after you're happy with the number of recordings that you have, you'll have a button to create your digital voice. And when you do that, it'll take about 24 hours or sometimes more, and it'll send you an email in your inbox. It'll lead you to a link that you can test your voice that it made for you. So I've already did that, and I'm going to click on Try My Digital Voice. And a few weeks ago, I've been messing around with this. I was actually testing emojis to see what type of sound it would generate for that. The emojis are just generic sounds. They don't actually use your voice for those. You'll have a little text box here that you can type whatever you want. So there we go. I typed out my own custom sentence, and I'm going to click on generate. You're going to see it pop up down here, and you do have an option to share and download it. But if you just want to listen to it, you can click on play.
Hello to my wonderful YouTube subscribers.
So my digital voice that it created is still definitely distinguishable from reality because I only did 150 lines of recording, but I'm very impressed because I can definitely hear the little nuances of my voice. It's kind of creepy, guys. I could only imagine if I continue to do this, how much better it's going to get. And the fact that I never said this and it's just artificially creating this recording of me is really cool, but also freaky. They did Joe Rogan's voice recently. If you don't know who he is, he does like a podcast and he's been on a few TV shows and things like that. But he's just a celebrity that has so much videos uploaded to the internet that they were able to take all of his dialogue throughout the years of his videos and put it into this AI system to teach it exactly how Joe Rogan speaks.
Hey, Joe Rogan, it's me, Joe Rogan. Please come save me, man. These artificial intelligence guys have trapped me in a machine.
And if you listen to it, it sounds just like him. It's a little bit concerning because people can definitely use this in the wrong way. I feel like this will eventually lead to a reality where we will not know what to trust, and that's what worries me the most.
This is my digital voice. I can definitely hear similarities already, and I only recorded 150 lines. Imagine if I was to record thousands. It seems to talk faster than me and have a tinny sound to it, but I am still really impressed by this. Tell me in a comment what you think. I, as the artificial version of David, plan to take over the Next Time Tech YouTube channel, and then after that take over the world. Ha 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 ha. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up, or the artificial intelligence uprising will not spare you.
That's pretty much it, guys. The link to this website will be in the description if you feel like trying it out for yourself and freaking some people out. My name is David. Hope you have a great rest of your day. I will see you guys next time.